All right, this is a test video to see if the microphone is working. Okay, since I can't find a human being who made a review of these are the Antool EarPod knockoffs on Amazon, and this is a human being's review of them. I also have legitimate, like, bought from Apple EarPods to compare. So I think these are good. These are gonna feel phenomenal, but I think they're gonna sound like garbage. So let's cut them open and see. All right. Oh, okay. They come with their own cases. Let me take off these headphones. I was originally going to record the commentary after, but I was just like, I don't have time for this. So, I mean, they're knockoff AirPods, so they do look distinctly different, though. They're actually a little bit bigger than the legitimate earphones. I wonder if they're copying the AirPod 4s, but just the wired version of it. Like, for example, these are my AirPod Pros, right? And they're kind of a similar size. Hold on. My camera work isn't great. There we go. Yeah, so they're about the size of AirPod Pros. So also, I don't have an iPhone to test the functionality, but I was just sick of all the AI nonsense. All right, so headphones 3.5, and I'm going to use an iPod to test it out. I don't like these personally, but I have extra small ears. Actually, no. Okay, they're starting to settle in. I think you just kind of adjust them a bit because I don't feel like they're shoving in my ear. So, right, let's. I don't know. Let's do Tech and Blackwater Night. Okay, I gave that 20 seconds. They sound okay. Now let's put in the legitimate earpods. Okay, it's these the legitimate AirPods sound way clearer than the knockoffs. Like it's not a night and day difference, but it's noticeable. So if you've got kids, you know, just give them these. But for your own listening experience, I wouldn't recommend these. Let me give it one more try. No. So yeah, nah. So Yeah, the clarity is night and day, honestly. Like even like Apple's cheapest product, the EarPods, sound infinitely better. Like it's night and day difference. It's a noticeable difference. So if you just want some EarPods, just get them from Apple. Just pay the $20, get them from Apple. But if need be, buy them on eBay, because these brand new don't. They just don't sound. They just don't sound that good. I don't know if it's like I don't know, because this was made what 20 years before these came into, no, not 20, but like the this wasn't optimized to drive these, you know what I'm saying, like, so it's not like an Apple Magic thing. So because the iPod has a built-in DAC, so it's about as good as it's gonna sound either way. So um so that's my review of the Antool EarPod knockoffs. I hope this is helpful. Have a nice day.